guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been watching me and are subscribed to me, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a Gucci unboxing, and I'm so excited for this one because I've had my eye on this for a very long time. These special sandals, I cannot wait to unbox them for you guys right now. And this unboxing I actually did right after we got the sandals and we were right by the beach, and I thought to do a different type of unboxing. So for this, it's going to be a little different and outdoorsy. And then I'll also show you guys another unboxing because the pairs that I got, they were a little small and you can only do curbside pickup. So I'll also show you guys the whole process of going there, picking it up. I didn't want to film the sales associate bringing it to me, but I'll kind of just show you guys so you guys can get an idea of how shopping has been lately. But still, you know, I got my dose of shopping, and I'm still doing things that I love, which obviously is collecting fashion. And like I said, I've had this piece on my mind for a while and I was ready to go for it. And it was summertime. I needed new sandals since I've literally worn the living life out of my Fendis, which I absolutely love. If you guys know me and follow me on Instagram, you guys will see that I literally wear the Fendis almost like every other day. If it's hot outside and I don't want to wear anything that's uncomfortable, I will probably be rocking my Pvc Slides. So yeah, and if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me at I am Marina Odin. And let's go ahead and just jump right in to the unboxing, and then we'll be back to talk about the sandals. So came to pick up the Gucci slides, and it's curbside pickup only, and I'm just waiting for my lady to come. We drove all the way to South Coast Plaza. We wanted a little road trip. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. We just kind of pulled in to this lot area and parked. So now we wait for the sales assistant at Gucci to come and bring me my beautiful slides. You guys will love it. It's just such a classic. Oh, she's coming. The right size is in. Gonna grab it. Yay! Can't wait to try this one. Okay, let's finally open this. I hope this one fits. I'm guessing it will. So this one, like I mentioned, it was through ShopRunner, Saks Fifth Avenue, and it was like a 2-day shipping program that they have. Let's check the size. Yay. the right size. Yeah, baby. I'm doing this with one hand. I'm just going to do the sandals just to make sure everything's good with that. Looks great. Alright, let's try it. Hope you guys enjoyed those 2 unboxings. And the whole process of it, literally I videotaped the whole process. So yeah, but you know what? Stay tuned so we could talk a little more about the fit, the style of these gorgeous sandals, and just kind of why I chose it and how I feel about the fit, the style, and the sizing. So let's go ahead and take a look again at these beautiful sandals. I haven't worn them yet, so I want to show you guys a close-up. I absolutely love the work on these sandals. They are great quality because, you know, it doesn't matter if your shoes are designer or not. I feel like lately designer brands were releasing a lot of new trends, fashions, and they weren't really following through with quality, and I just am in love with this piece because of that reason, because I feel like they brought the quality back. And the style of it is a 70s style sandal that they brought back. So the name of this is the Gucci Matisse GG print, and the GG right here is so gorgeous. It's just such a classic, and I absolutely love the writing in the inner sole here, and the design and the leather craftsmanship is just gorgeous. That beautiful black cut leather all around the toe area and also on the top area here. And I love how, you know, there's contrast. Here is the nude and here's the black, and also the same with the heel they followed, nude bottoms and also black heel. So I just feel like the whole design for a sandal, it's just gorgeous. It's a classic, and anytime that I see a classic, I absolutely fall in love with it and I have to have it. And I know I'm probably going to literally wear it so much and the money's not going to go to waste. And I know that I'm just, you know, I was just hoping for it to be comfortable, most importantly, and for me to be able to get a lot of wear out of it. So just like I said, looking at the craftsmanship of this piece, it's just so beautiful, the detailing and how the sandal is made. You can definitely tell that there's a lot of quality. You won't see peeling around the corners here or anything like that. So I feel like they really took their time on designing this beautiful, simple yet super classy sandal, and it's their 70s style, which I'm absolutely all for and in love with. So other than that, the sizing was a little confusing, I have to say. I thought, you know, I'm usually a 7.5 or an 8 in US sizing, and I personally thought that if I were to get the 37, I kind of felt like it might be small because of the style. Now, for my Fendi slides, I wear a size 37 flat, and I felt like, you know, it was literally to the T. And of course, with sandals, you don't want to get sandals that are way too big because then they will flop and it won't be comfortable, and if it's leather, it will stretch. So for my Fendi, it did stretch a little over time, not too much, but it was just perfect. Now with the Gucci, I was really confused on the sizing. I knew it was leather, it was a thinner style, so I was a little worried about the sizing. I asked the sales associates and they really didn't have much clue on the sizing, which was a little upsetting because especially when you're buying over the phone or online, you really don't know what you're getting yourself into. So with that said, I ended up picking size 37.5 because the sales lady said that should be good for me. So picked it up, like you guys saw, unboxed it. Then I tried it on at home again. So I realized that my right foot was like, the heel was out a little too much, and I felt like even if it does open up a little, then I don't have room for my toes in the front, and I just felt like it was too extremely exact of a size, and it was just not doing well. It was shockingly comfortable in this area, and I don't know why it didn't feel too tight or suffocating for my foot. So then I ended up having to order from Saks Fifth Avenue because Gucci had ran out of 37.5 and it was their last one. So from what I noticed, they had like limited amounts of these sandals. So if you love these and you've had your eye on it and you've been wondering about it, go grab one. And I also noticed there haven't been any videos on this piece, and it's so upsetting because it's such a classic and it's been brought back. So it's a 70s classic style. Everything about it is just so gorgeous and classy. So I thought to make a video and review this piece. Also, I'm kind of glad that I have the 37.5 and the 38. So this one is the 38. I also want to show you guys, since I do have both of them and I can't return the ones from the Gucci store until the store reopens fully to public. Whoop. Oh, and may I add how gorgeous these little bags are for each sandal, and they come with 2 little duster bags. Okay, so I want to show you guys the 37.5 and kind of show you guys like a comparison, how like there's really not much of a difference, and it's upsetting because I had to go through all of this. Okay, so is this the same? Yeah, these are the same size. Okay, so I want to put these side by side. So this one is a 38. This one is the 37.5. So there's like a slight bit of a difference. Okay, so this is the difference that it has, like a slight bit of a difference. As you guys can see, I put it heel to heel. So it's a very, very small difference. The 38 and the 37, and I'm going to kind of like put it next to each other, try to compare those like that. So the crazy thing is that in the length, it's longer. Now, because of that, it did kind of make the 38, I feel like, a little bit more suffocating, because then this comes a little bit more over the top area of your foot. And I just kind of felt like it is a little tighter than 37.5. So it's really confusing. I'm still a little confused, but I think at the end of the day, I will keep the 38 just in case, because I don't like my heel kind of, you know, hanging out there. The 38 is still good, a safer bet, and even if it, you know, I'm hoping that it stretches out a little, gets comfortable, because the other one was a bit more stretched. Literally, like, I didn't see a big difference. So I'm kind of glad that I had both to show you guys that there was like literally like a tiny inch of a difference, not even, like maybe half of an inch. I don't even know. I would have to measure it, but other than that, in regards to the sizing and all of that, it's just gorgeous. And we talked about the material. I also just kind of feel like it will be easy material to deal with. You know, most of it, majority of it is leather, and then we have the canvas Gucci Matisse material, and I don't know, I think it's just, it's a really a gem. And a classic one too. I really feel like I will be getting a lot of wear out of this. I really hope that it wears well and it doesn't give up on me. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how they look on me. So you guys saw how it looks, and you can literally style it any way you'd like. I just styled it with these biker shorts, this chill white shirt, which I got from ASOS. If you haven't checked out my ASOS review video, go ahead and check it out. I'll go ahead and put the link up here. And then also I have many other luxury review videos. If you haven't checked those out, go ahead and check them out. So back to what I would dress it up with. I would dress it up with cute summer dresses, which I've recently got some new ones from H&M. I've also done a H&M spring haul. Go check that out as well. So you have a lot of videos on your hand to watch. I would definitely wear it with some cute flowy dresses. Literally, you can wear this with anything. You can wear it with biker shorts and a blazer and wear that. It's just such a classic piece, and I see myself wearing it literally by the beach. Maybe not on the beach because I don't want to mess it up, but it's a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. And initially I wanted to get the Chanel PVC Slides, and that was, I think, last year's, and they were all out. So I'm so happy that I found these ones as well. They're just such classics, and like I said, they just give me this beachy resort vacation vibes. So whatever it takes right now to make me feel that way, because I literally want to go on vacation, then hey, this works. Hopefully I can take these babies out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to wrap it up. I hope this was as informative as possible for these pairs. And oh, and another thing that I missed is, and they retail at $650. So you guys get kind of like an idea if you guys want to purchase these sandals, and hopefully this gave you guys inspiration to kind of, you know, get ready for summer and spring. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys are subscribed to me, thank you so much for your love and support. And I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.